Hi, my name is Victor Vega. I'm the Director of Culinary Arts here at Odessa College. We are in the bake shop filming this presentation. We're still in the grips of COVID-19, hence the reason my lovely partner is not here. I'm really missing her. But anyway, today what we've got are Welsh cakes. I tried to define what this was actually in the recipe, but it's really somewhere between a scone, a griddle cake, and a cookie. Best thing to do is call it what you want. So we've got butter, sugar, baking powder, currants, an egg, flour, milk. Currants are basically a form of grape, a very small one which has been dried, and if you want to use a substitute such as raisins, craisins, golden raisins, whatever, feel free. Traditionally, they are actually currants, and that's how you find them at the grocery store. All of our grocery stores carry them, but it's up to you. First stage is to take the flour, the butter, the sugar, and rub it in. And by rubbing it in, I'm simply taking the product between my fingers and thumb and rubbing it gently. You really want to keep plenty of air moving here, because if you don't, the fat will start to soften. Now, being a man, I have a cold hands, meaning I have a warm heart, so it's not a big deal. I'll let you figure out how the rest of that goes with the ladies. Crack your egg in, or actually put your currants in. Crack your egg, add your milk, and you bring it together to form a dough. When the dough has been formed, lightly floured table, roll it out, and basically what you're doing is you're cutting rings, discs, call them what you want about this size. I do round because that's what I'm used to. You want to do squares, you want to do teddy bears, whatever you want, doesn't matter. The hard part about this, we said this is sort of a griddle cake. So we now take a warm griddle. This is mine from home. You can certainly use a skillet on the top of the stove. And you want a medium to low heat. Sprayed. These are going to cook, I'd say a good 4 or 5 minutes on each side. Gently lift them, golden brown, turn them over, and finish the process. Now, if you're not sure, you can always pop them on a sheet pan, put them in the oven, and finish them that way. When they come out, still warm, sprinkle them with a little bit of caster sugar, granulated sugar, or not as the case may be. And this is what we have at the end. So here's our Welsh cakes. Enjoy them with your coffee, tea, or whatever, but just enjoy them. Thank you for being here, and please support our local businesses.